In today's video, I'm going to share 5 AI affiliate programs or AI affiliate products with you. You can promote these products and make money from them. Among these 5 products, I'm currently promoting 2 of them, and I've had some amazing results that I want to show you. I'll also provide you with details on how you can promote them. So let's kick things off by discussing my results with the first 2 products I've been promoting. After that, I'll introduce you to the remaining 8 AI products on the list that you can also promote to earn some income. Sounds good? Let's get started. Let's take a look at our first product from the list. It's the top one out of the 5 we're discussing today. I've been promoting this product myself, and I even managed to make a sale. The product is called Become a Prompt Engineer. Go from zero to scripting AI workflows. Basically, it's a course that teaches people about prompt engineering and how to set up AI workflows from scratch. This course can be really helpful for those who want to dive into prompt engineering and gain some knowledge about AI workflows. Now, if I show you the affiliate dashboard for this product, you'll see that I've had 1 referral, which means 1 sale, earning me a $1.32 commission. There have been 370 visits to the product page, but only a 0.27% conversion rate. The low conversion rate was partly my mistake because I didn't properly explain what the product was about to my audience. I just directed them straight to the product page. That's a lesson learned. If we scroll down, you'll notice that I made 3 sales in total, but 2 of them were refunded, leaving only 1 person who's actually engaged with the course and benefited from it. So, it is very important to explain the product to your audience before sending them to the product page. If you're interested in learning prompt engineering from scratch, you can also enroll in this program. Now let's talk about the next product on our list. It's called InVideo AI, and it's the second product out of the 5 we're discussing today. InVideo AI is all about creating videos with text prompts, and I think the name pretty much explains it all. I've been promoting this product for a couple of weeks, and I've seen some impressive results. While I didn't get a ton of clicks, the cool thing about this program is that it's recurring. That means you can keep earning money for a whole year or even a lifetime as long as your referrals keep using the service. Here's why it's great. When you bring someone in and they take action, like signing up, it means they're interested. And once they're interested, they're likely to make a purchase and stick around for a long time. Now, let me show you some results from this program. This is the dashboard for the InVideo AI affiliate program, and you sign up for it through impact.com. But don't worry about links. I'll provide all the necessary links in the video description. So I've had 20 clicks, and 9 people have taken action, resulting in a fantastic 45% conversion rate. When someone signs up, I can earn commissions ranging from 25% to 50%, and remember, it's a recurring subscription. That means I keep earning when they renew their subscription, which is pretty sweet. So, you can definitely consider promoting this program too. 9 people taking action means they've signed up and are likely to make purchases in the future. Now, let's move on to the third affiliate program on our list, which is called ElevenLabs. This program focuses on generating AI voiceovers. They have recently gained a lot of popularity, and they are also one of the best and most trusted AI voiceover services. You can easily join this affiliate program, and the best part is that you can earn recurring commissions. You can see here that you'll earn 22% of all payments for the first 12 months for every new subscriber plan. There are no limits to what you can earn. They've provided examples of potential earnings based on bringing in customers for specific plans. Let's say you bring in 10 people for the creator plan for 1 year, and the creator plan for 1 month costs $22. So for 12 months, it amounts to $2,640 in sales. And you, as an affiliate, earn $580 in commissions. Similarly, if you bring in 20 people for the independent publisher plan for 1 year, you can make up to $5,220 in commissions. The key advantage here is that it's a recurring program, so you have the potential to earn significant income over time. It's also a trusted program that people are likely to purchase. If you have any questions or need more information, you can find answers on their website. They also provide pricing details there, which you can explore further. So that's all about the ElevenLabs affiliate program. If you decide to promote it, you have the potential to earn recurring commissions and build a steady income stream. Now let's talk about the next product on our list, which is called Anyword. Anyword has a list of products, and I'll give you a quick overview of some of them. First, they have the Data-Driven Editor product. With this tool, you can create posts and sales copy for social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. It can generate ad copy, email copy, sales copy, and more. This tool can be an important resource for coaches, marketers, or any online entrepreneurs. Another product they offer is Blog Wizard, which can help bloggers generate human-like and plagiarism-free content. It's a helpful tool for anyone in the blogging space. They also provide a copy intelligence platform, which can be beneficial for many copywriting needs like Google ad copy, Facebook ad copy, etc. Another interesting product is Website Automation, which you can install on your website to act as a chatbot for your website. This can help you engage with visitors to your site. Anyword has a variety of products, and the good news is that you can promote any of them as an affiliate. Just move down and go to their affiliate section, and the affiliate page will open. They offer up to 40% commission on sales, and it's a recurring commission, so you can keep earning every month. You can also check out their pricing to get an idea of how much you can earn in commissions. To join their affiliate program, you can simply apply and start promoting their products. They also have a Facebook group that you can join for a better understanding of their offerings. So that's a brief overview of the Anyword affiliate program and the products you can promote. It's a versatile program with multiple products to choose from, making it suitable for various online businesses and entrepreneurs. Now let's discuss the last affiliate program on our list, which is Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a tool I used to use before ChatGPT, specifically for writing sales copy, blog posts, and sales copies for affiliate landing pages. The best part of promoting this tool is its reputation, and many people are familiar with it. What makes Jasper AI stand out is that it's designed specifically for businesses. People choose it for creating content for their business needs. ChatGPT is a more generic tool that can be used by students, professors, bloggers, and anyone else. But Jasper is not generic. It is specifically designed for businesses. You can promote Jasper AI and earn a good commission from their affiliate program. They offer a 25% commission for the first 12 months when someone signs up for their paid plans. If you refer 100 customers, you can earn a 30% commission for 12 months. That wraps up our discussion of the 5 AI affiliate programs. If you decide to promote Jasper AI or any of the others, you have the potential to earn commissions. Now, let's move on to our affiliate product promotion strategy. Okay, now let me walk you through my affiliate marketing strategy. As you can see, these are all my traffic sources. First, we have Medium, where I am a regular writer. I also have other platforms like my YouTube channel, which is my other YouTube channel, my blog, Reddit, and Pinterest. These are the platforms from where I redirect an audience to an opt-in page. On the opt-in page, I offer something free and valuable, like a guide, ebook, or course. When people submit their email addresses, they enter my sales funnel. From the opt-in page, one branch goes directly to my affiliate offer landing page, where I explain the product. If they like it, they click through it and land on the sales page of the product, and then they take action. The other branch enters my email autoresponder. For people who submitted their email address goes to contacts inside the autoresponder. I have a pre-written email series that promotes my affiliate products to these leads. This way, I market to those leads through email. So I leverage both email and direct landing pages to sell my affiliate offers. This works for any affiliate product, and it's the exact system you need in your affiliate marketing business as well. For a step-by-step tutorial on content creation on Medium with AI and email marketing, I have a free course coming soon that will reveal everything. This will not be any random informational course. I am going to reveal every secret of mine in this course. Make sure to check below this video for the waitlist link if you want to learn more. So this was our video about 5 AI-related affiliate programs. Please leave any comments or questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.